So the question says based on the correlation coefficient. And in order to know what that is, we have to use our graphing calculator. So in order to find the correlation coefficient, the first thing we've got to do with our graphing calculator is make sure that it's set up correctly to find the correlation coefficient. So we're going to do second 0 to go to catalog. And then I'm going to scroll down until I see diagnostic on. All right, so there it is. So once we have that highlighted, we're going to click enter. And then we're going to click enter one more time. And so that's going to make sure that we have all the settings turned on in order to find the correlation coefficient. So now that we've done that, we are going to click stat. And we're going to click enter for edit. And what we're going to do is we're going to put our x values in L1 and our y values in L2. So in L1, we're going to put in 15, 30, 27, and so on. And then in L2, we're going to put in 86, 72, 77, and the rest of that column. And then once we have that, we're just going to double check that we didn't enter any numbers incorrectly. And so our x values are in L1, y values are in L2. So we're going to click stat, and we're going to arrow over to calc. And so from here, we're going to go down to number 4, which stands for linear regression, and click enter. And we want to make sure that X list says L1 and Y list says L2. Okay, because if that gets off, that's going to change our calculation. And so we're going to arrow down to calculate and hit enter. And it's going to give us the equation for this linear regression, and letter R is going to be the correlation coefficient. So our correlation coefficient is negative 0.90. Okay, so what you need to know about correlation coefficients is the closer it is to positive 1, the stronger the positive association it is. The closer to negative 1 it is, the stronger the negative association it is. So negative 0.9 is pretty close to negative 1. So I feel confident in saying that this is a strong negative association. And so the correct answer is letter A.